By 2030, 80% of the job could be replaced by AI, but don't panic, because while the automation disrupts man role, it's also creating incredible opportunities for those who are prepared for it. And a study by McKinsey and Gartner shows that AI is reshaping almost every industry, and it is way faster than we ever imagined. So people who are succeeding in this era are those who leverage the AI, not fighting it. And now the question comes, how do we stay ahead? So by mastering 5 essential AI skills, those are not only relevant, they are going to be game changer in 2025 and beyond. So I'll break them down for you. Make sure you stick around, and I also make sure that I only share the free tools with you, so you do not have to worry about the paid subscription. Now let's talk about the skill number 1, which is AI assisted coding. So tools like Tabnine and GitHub Copilots are transforming the way developer works. These tools can predict, complete, and even debug your code, which make your coding faster, smoother, and way more efficient than it was before. So these tools also help beginners to take their first step into the programming, and also help senior developers to tackle complex question or complex project with very ease. And coding isn't just for tech professionals anymore, it's becoming a core skill across the industry. And with the help of AI assisted coding, even a non-developer person can create the prototype, they can automate their tasks, they can analyze the data even. So learning how to use these tools will open the doors for the high paying jobs in the tech and the automation side. So now let's talk about skill number 2, which is prompt engineering. This skill is all about communicating effectively with the AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, or Midjourney. And by crafting the precise prompt, you can generate the exact output that you want and that align with your needs. And it will definitely work in almost all domains. It could be from marketing and software debugging. It will definitely work. And why this skill is so important? It is like learning to speak the language of AI, and a well-crafted prompt can transform a scattered response into a highly targeted resolution, which can save your time and effort a lot. And with the AI tools becoming mainstream these days, so prompt engineering is going to be the most essential skill for 2025 and beyond. And if you want to improve your prompting skills, I have already prepared a dedicated video on this topic. You will find the link in the I button as well as in the description box. So make sure you watch that video if you want to improve your prompting skills. Now let's talk about the skill number 3, which is data automation. So imagine you can eliminate the repetitive and time-consuming tasks like data entry or report generation that you have to do every day. So tools like Automate.io and Microsoft Power Automate allow you to automate your workflows, and that will give you a lot of time to focus on more important and most impactful work, you can say. And believe me, every industry needs efficiency, and data automation makes you that person who can deliver it to them. Whether it's optimizing the inventory in the retail or streamlining the HR processes, if you learn this skill in 2025, you will stand out as a person who can bring the or improve the productivity of the company and also save their cost. And as we are heading in 2025, businesses will rely more on the data automation. So make sure you add this skill in your bucket list and learn in 2025. Now let's talk about the next skill. So skill number 4 is content creation. So AI powered tools like Canva's AI feature and Descript allow you to create stunning visuals and videos with just few clicks. And it doesn't matter if you're a marketer who create ad campaigns or you're an educator who produce video lessons, you can use these skills in 2025, and they're simplifying the creative process like never before. The demand for this standout content has never been higher in the past. Companies are looking for the people or the professionals who can combine the creativity with the technology. So mastering these tools in 2025 doesn't just give you time, it will also stand you out as a person who can bring innovative and high quality content to any project and any team. And as we approach 2025, businesses are doubling down on the content strategy, which making this skill essential for the future. So make sure you add this one also in your bucket list. Now let's talk about our skill number 5, which is last but not the least, AI powered decision making. So AI tools like Google's AutoML and Weka use advanced analytics to convert a raw data into an actionable insight, which can help any business to forecast the trend. They can also predict the customer behavior, also mitigate the risk, which is very essential for any business to stay competitive. And believe me, you do not have to be a data scientist to leverage these AI tools. If you have basic understanding of the data interpretation, you can use these AI tools and their insights to make a smarter decision. And it doesn't matter if you're from a marketing team, a management, or even operations. If you learn how to use these AI tools, you'll stand out as a forward-thinking leader in any industry. And as AI continues to evolve, decision-making backed by AI will be a crucial skill to learn for the future. So make sure you add this skill in your bucket list, and believe me, AI isn't just a trend, it's a foundation of the future. And these 5 skills are your ticket to stay ahead in this rapidly changing world. And before you go, do let me know in the comment section which skill excites you the most. And if you learned something from this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.